Yes, 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 yes! Package from China! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, welcome back to the video, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we have something pretty damn awesome again. This is the multi-game card from our friends from China. But this is more like a combination card. Maybe you haven't a little bit noticed in this sample video, is that if you look at the cartridge itself, it's zooming and focusing. You can see here we got the 100 NES games and 100 Sega Master games. And yes people, we have two kind of games or systems on one multi-game card. How cool is that? I think it's pretty damn awesome. So if you're into the NES or the Sega Master System or both of the system, you can just have one cartridge. Alright, let's go. And this is the first thing we are going to get. As you can see here, we got two little decals. This is for the Mario games and this one for the Sonic. First we're going to check out the Mario list. Take some time to load up. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, or taking the Game Boy closer to the camera. But I see a lot of great games. Do a little bit of fast skipping if you don't mind. Loading this preview, or actually it's just loading the game. When pressing A, it will instantly go to the point that you're seeing here. Love the soundtrack of this game. Doom, 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 doom. Alright, what do we have here? Mario Bros. Alright. Ooh, we got all the Marios over here. Nice. Alright, let's reboot the system. And let's check out the Sega games. Because I'm damn curious about this one. Nice. Ooh, I see Alternate Beast. Alright, California games. Columns. Pretty awesome. Mortal Kombat 3. Alright, let's see what we have more. Ooh, all the Sonic games are on this one. Or do I miss out? I'm missing out a racing game. Blast, Gales, 1, 2. Or was it only on the Game Gear? Now I don't know for sure anymore. So, was the one glitching or what? Okay, check this out. Whoa! Whoa! It's glitching a little bit. Oh, of course. It's a 2D and 3D game. Yeah, now it's normal. Alright. So, if you're pressing the both shoulder buttons, as you can see here, it also got a little menu where we can quick load, quick save, even correct the display and name it for the people who hate the widescreen. So we can go back to the menu. Alright, let's go back. So what you can see here, it works great. It works just great. Alright, reset, thank you. Let's play a Sonic game. Chaos. Seems to be working just fine. Can I do this? Can I do this? Oh yeah. Ooh, did I found an extra life? Alright. Alright, let's test out Adventure Island. Let's try another game. Let's try out this classic one. Come on, big boy. I'm gonna put my feet on your face. I am the Kung Fu Master. Come. Oh yeah, right up in the face. Whoa, he's going ape shit. So, it's very interesting when pressing the shoulder buttons again. And this is what makes it pretty unique. On the NES part, we got way more options. I can't remember we had Arrow Fire on the Sega part. Also the display and all the other settings, save state, load. So, this is a really nice multi-game card, if you ask me. So for the final conclusion about the combination card of the NES and Sega Master System. The NES part, it's really awesome. Still, to be honest, I have noticed something about the soundtracks. I really love to know what you think of this. The Sega Master System just runs fine. Really great collection of games. I really love what they did with the extra menu, so you can quick load, quick save, adjust the screen, name it. It is possible. The only downside, I found out that it didn't work on my GameBoy. There's kind of a software in this thing that my GameBoys don't want to read. So that's a little bit of a bummer, and keep that one in mind. But yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments, and see you next time. Bye bye.